Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, you're going to learn all about increasing sales for your small business, entrepreneurship, how to use sales funnels to boost leads and sales, social media marketing, and a lot of other cool and helpful things. I know that small business is the backbone of this country, and a lot of folks are struggling through this pandemic. My goal is to try and provide as much value as possible to help local businesses to get through this and to ultimately succeed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you can get all the amazing videos we're going to be sending out. I'm also going to recommend that you check out the free Brick and Mortar Funnel Summit. In the summit, discover how businesses like you are using proven sales techniques and simple online sales funnels to fill their businesses with dream customers. You can find out more about the free Brick and Mortar Funnel Summit at the following link. Thanks again for visiting, and I'll see you in the next video.